Taking care of our kidneys is crucial for overall health, and did you know that the food we eat plays a big role in supporting them? In this guide, we'll explore a variety of delicious and nutritious foods that can help detox and cleanse our kidneys. Diet tips for kidney health. People with kidney disease need to be mindful of their diet, keeping tabs on sodium, potassium, phosphorus, and protein. It's important to keep sodium intake limited to prevent fluid retention and high blood pressure. Potassium helps balance urine acidity, prevents stones, and flushes out toxins from your kidneys. However, for potassium, restrictions vary with the stage of kidney disease to avoid muscle weakness and heart issues. Additionally, phosphorus should be limited to prevent bone problems. When your kidneys aren't working well, they can't get rid of extra phosphorus in your blood. This extra phosphorus causes your bones to lose calcium and become weak. Moderation in protein intake is crucial. Consuming more protein than your kidneys can effectively process results in the production of waste substances, leading to their accumulation in the blood. If the kidneys are unable to efficiently filter and remove these waste products, it can strain their function and contribute to kidney damage over time. Remember, dietary rules differ based on the stage of kidney disease, aiming to support kidney function and prevent further damage. Now let's start with a fundamental element: water. Water is essential for kidney health as your kidneys depend on an adequate water supply to eliminate toxins and waste from your body. Drinking enough water is like providing your kidneys with the support they need to function effectively. So, remember to stay hydrated by sipping water regularly throughout the day. It's a simple yet powerful way to support your kidneys. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are beneficial for kidney health due to their unique nutritional composition. Notably low in potassium, a critical factor for those with kidney concerns, bell peppers support optimal kidney function. Rich in antioxidants, especially vitamins A and C, these vibrant vegetables play a vital role in shielding the kidneys from oxidative stress, a contributor to kidney damage over time. Additionally, their natural low sodium content aids individuals in managing sodium intake to prevent fluid retention and high blood pressure. The high water content in bell peppers also contributes to hydration, a fundamental aspect of kidney health. Cucumber. Cucumbers are a low-calorie, high-fiber food rich in vitamins and minerals, making them a nutritious choice. With antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, cucumbers contain caffeic acid, helping eliminate excess water and potentially promoting a slimmer appearance. Moreover, sulfur and silicon in cucumbers increase urination, aiding the kidneys in detoxifying uric acid. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes positively impact kidney health in various ways. Their rich fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels, crucial for those with kidney concerns to prevent blood sugar spikes that may contribute to kidney damage. With a lower glycemic index than regular potatoes, sweet potatoes release glucose into the bloodstream gradually, providing steady energy. Abundant in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, sweet potatoes play a vital role in maintaining healthy kidney function and may slow the progression of kidney disease. While they contain moderate levels of potassium, consuming sweet potatoes in moderation makes them suitable for those with specific potassium restrictions. The antioxidant properties further protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. Blueberries. Despite their small size, blueberries pack a punch and are rich in kidney-friendly nutrients, particularly antioxidants called anthocyanins. These vibrant pigments act like shields, protecting kidney cells from harmful inflammation and oxidative stress. Beyond their antioxidant prowess, blueberries are low in potassium and phosphorus, making them a safe and delicious choice for those managing kidney function. Apples. Apples are an excellent choice for a kidney-friendly diet, being low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium. Suitable for various kidney conditions and treatments, including chronic kidney disease and different dialysis methods, apples are also high in pectin, a soluble fiber that can lower cholesterol and glucose levels, and have high antioxidant levels. Cranberries. Known for preventing urinary tract infections, cranberries interfere with bacteria adhesion to the bladder wall. Rich in proanthocyanidins, powerful antioxidants combat harmful free radicals and inflammation, offering protection against kidney damage caused by oxidative stress. Some studies suggest that regular cranberry consumption may help lower blood pressure. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, part of this diverse group, are rich in antioxidants like sulforaphane and glucosinolates. With 92% water content, cauliflower keeps you hydrated and flushes toxins. Providing just the right amount of potassium to regulate blood pressure without exceeding limits, its fiber content manages blood sugar and waste elimination, supporting kidneys. Vitamin C shields cells, while vitamin K and folate promote healthy growth and repair. Egg whites. Unlike whole eggs, egg whites offer high-quality protein without the phosphorus burden that can stress kidneys. Crucial for maintaining muscle mass and supporting vital functions, especially for those with kidney concerns, egg whites provide a good amount of potassium and low sodium, balancing electrolytes essential for healthy kidney function, regulating blood pressure, and preventing fluid buildup. Garlic. Garlic has diuretic properties promoting kidney health by signaling the removal of excess toxins and minerals through urination. Compounds like allicin, known for their anti-inflammatory properties, combat chronic inflammation that can contribute to kidney disease progression. Sea base. Sea base benefits kidney health with its low phosphorus content, essential for individuals needing to restrict phosphorus intake. Naturally low in this mineral, sea base is a safe and delicious protein choice for those with kidney disease. Certain types, like mackerel and salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids like EPA and DHA, offer anti-inflammatory properties, potentially benefiting kidney health by reducing inflammation contributing to disease progression. Asparagus. With its high water content, asparagus aids kidneys in flushing out toxins and waste products. A moderate source of potassium, it's suitable for those with specific restrictions. Additionally, antioxidants like glutathione help protect kidney cells from damage. Parsley. This vibrant herb packs antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids, shielding kidney cells from damage. With a mild diuretic effect, parsley aids in waste elimination. Green tea. Green tea, a powerhouse of antioxidants, especially catechins like EGCG, provides a protective shield against kidney damage and inflammation. It combats free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, culprits in kidney damage. Its anti-inflammatory properties, blood pressure regulation, and potential in managing blood sugar levels all contribute to supporting kidney health. Some studies even suggest it helps prevent certain types of kidney stones. Adopting a diet that includes kidney-friendly foods can play a pivotal role in maintaining optimal kidney health. Each food item highlighted brings unique benefits, contributing to factors such as reduced oxidative stress, inflammation, and the promotion of healthy kidney function. The diverse range of options offer a variety of nutrients and compounds that support overall kidney well-being. Incorporating these foods in moderation, alongside a balanced lifestyle, can contribute to a proactive approach to kidney health. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with others. Thank you for tuning into Inner Health Zone. We'll be back for more health and wellness content, so stay tuned.